My name is Jagan Tan, and I'm a travel filmmaker. My passion began at 16, when I took my first camera abroad, and it sparked my love for filmmaking. Traveling and shooting aren't easy. I need to be ready for different situations, and having the right gear is so important. I like chasing moments, but sometimes these moments are too far to capture. That's when the 8.3x zoom comes in handy as a film, because it can bring me closer to my subject, undetected and fast. I always thought that size was everything, so I was honestly taken aback when I first used the RX100. The footages were sharp, and it captured what I needed, despite its 1-inch sensor. Weight can be quite stressful when it comes to traveling. The lighter you carry, the more you can move. I can bring the RX100 VII on any occasion and be ready for unexpected moments to craft the story I want to tell. I love playing with angles, especially filming at waist level. It sets the composition of my frame, and it creates the mood of the type of film I will be creating. A high angle to show power, or a low angle to highlight the vast difference of what we are. With a new perspective, it pushes me to be daring and experiment with different styles of what I'm going to film. Be in the moment. Have fun with what you're doing. Daring and experiment with unique ideas you've always dreamed of. Think of an idea. Push yourself to make it come alive. Filming inspires me to create more, and I continue to piece my moments together to craft my stories. With the new RX100 VII, only your imagination can limit you.
Every day since 2016, I've looked through the lens of a Leica Q camera. They have become a constant in my life and have shaped the way I see and interact with the world. Whether I'm on a film or photo shoot or traveling and looking for new images, a Leica Q has always been with me. And now Leica has taken one of the most unique and versatile cameras of all time and perfected it with the new Q3.